Okay, we are preparing for our trip to Airstream to pick up the Pottery Barn. So this is all of the stuff we have. It needs, a lot of it will go into the Pottery Barn, but we have to fit all of this in our truck. Hi, Sophie. So, but that's not all. Over here, this will be in the inside of the Pottery Barn. So we have kitchen stuff,
bathroom stuff,
say
bedroom
hi.
stuff. Hi! Some food things, some organizational things, all the things. And woo, we gotta pack it.
You gotta pack it.
Gotta pack
So
it.
we came up with an idea. Hi, Sophie. Yes. Oh, you like that little furry creature on top of the camera. Okay, well, yes. So a trial run where we used boxes didn't go so well, and we ended up realizing we needed bins. So we did the calculations. We could fit 4 of these in the back of our truck bed. We could fit 6 of these underneath the seat in the back seat, because remember, she is going to take up that whole back seat. So, and then we can also do 6 of these, and those will be placed in the little space in front of that back seat where she will want to kind of stand on. So I can do 2 high and have 6 total. So we've got that. So everything is going to be in bins. So we have 6 of these, 6 of those, 4 of those, and then we're hopeful that we can also fit our cooler and have some other room left over. So the question is, what will go and what will stay? Okay, we are making progress. This is loaded up, and a lot of the stuff up here will not go. I had to calculate what leftover space I had after the bins, because there's a little bit of a space. So did one of these things and figured out that I could fit about this much stuff. So I'm going to have to fit that in. And then the bins will be around that. So we get the barbecue in and the cooler. Of course, that's important. And then behind the seat, little tools and sewer hose. Why sewer hose? Well, because we've never used it. It's brand new. Anyway, so that's going to go behind the seat with some other things. I've got the mega cab, so I'm lucky. By the way, I've got the Ram 3500, and this is getting done slowly but surely, loading all these up, bins. And as Sophie could see, we have got those things over there that will go on the side, like the wheel well, because I've got to pull out. Okay, day 2 of packing. We have pretty much everything ready to go. We can put a little more in there. Okay, today is travel day. Hey Sophie, travel day. This is all prepped and ready to go. Yep. So we got everything as I showed you yesterday. All right. So that's good. We'll come over here. Some last minute things will go there. And here's all the stuff. So now I'm going to load it, and I will show you after it gets loaded. Okay, cross your fingers it all fits. My measurements, I hope that they were right. Were they right, Sophie?
Like a river keeps on winding.
Okay, step one, everything is behind the back seat now that I wanted. So this is the next set. This will go in front of that back seat in the truck, right here, and this will go under. And before, what I did is I had these things in there. That way Sophie had something to stand on when she's in the back seat. So I replaced those with these, kind of 2x2x2. So it's all about volume. Yeah, that's a good lesson to teach the kids. Okay, here's how the bins lined up. There's 6 there. And you can kind of see back here, I got that loaded with all the stuff as planned. I had a little bit of buffer so I could put more in, but I learned one important thing. If you turn this thing sideways on the bottom, then you have enough for another one of these. So now we get to see what else we were gonna not be able to pack. It's like Christmas Day, I'm telling you. And I got 2 over there. So you can kind of see these underneath here. Gotta love the Ram 3500. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, out of breath. He's going next. In the cooler. Yeah, I got to thinking, you probably want to know what I've got in the back of the 3500. So I've got this slide out, and then we'll have stuff along the side there. It raises this up about 2 inches, so I'm not happy about that, but I am happy that I don't have to crawl in there. So that's nice. I'm gonna load these up, and then we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, well, it is done, and I am completely packed. Every square inch has been taken. I'll open this and kind of get an idea. So just like I planned, except, you know, of course the extras, last minute extras, kind of made it a little bit more difficult.
Finally see what we've always known, so let this